What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing amazing, by the way. So today I'm just gonna show you how I fry my chicken sausage, and I'm just separating them so they have been joined together in one accord. And I separated them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them diagonally. Now, you don't have to do it this way, right? You can cut them the regular, just round and cute. But I'm just trying to get a little fancy schmancy. So yeah, I cut up that one and then I'm going in on the next one. So it doesn't matter how. Now let's add some butter to my hot pot. So I added about 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter, and now I'm going in with the sausage. Yes, dash them in, place them in the pot. Make sure the butter is hot, by the way. So yeah. So we fry them on that side until they are nice and brown. Get them to the desired color that you want them. If you don't like them this color, then do you, boo. It's all good. So I'm turning them over, flip them over, and get them nice and brown on the other side as well. And then we take them out. So yeah, this is beautiful. Perfecto. Nom, 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 perfecto. I love it. So take them out, and I love this color on them. Nice and more than golden brown. Just beautiful. So you can place them on paper towel if you wish. I'm just going to put them in my tray, right? It really doesn't matter. So take them out, rest them in there, and remember that it was a lot of sausage. So I'm going to add the rest of the sausage to the frying pan. So yeah, let's go. And just like that, Vibes fam, all done. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, look at this tray of chicken sausage. You can't go wrong. Just beautiful. But yeah, Vibes fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Could you please like the video, click the thumbs up, and subscribe and share the video if you wish with someone, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.